Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhamad Rifqi Fadhu Rahman and my student ID is 23 22 01 and 17. Today I will be the presentation of the syntax project of the title is Parts of Speech and Diagram. The part 1 of the syntax project. What is part of the what is part of speech? A part of speech is a category that a word belongs to based on how it is used in a sentence. Every word in English fits into one of these categories. These categories help us understand how words work together to form sentence. There are 8 main parts of speech. Number A is lexical, is the noun. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. The examples: person, teacher, and John. The place, school, Paris. Thing, thing, book, and computer. And idea, freedom, and happiness. Number 2 is a pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Examples: he, she, it, they, we. Example sentence: Lisa is tired. She wants to rest. She replaced Lisa. Number 3 is a verb. A verb shows action or a state of being. Examples: action, run, eat, write. State of being is, am, and were. Example: they are happy. She runs fast. Number 4 is adjective. An adjective describes a noun. It tells us what kind, how many, or which one. Example: big, blue, white, and angry. Example: the red apple is sweet. Number 5 is adverb. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It often answers how, when, where, how much. Examples: quickly, very, yesterday, and often. For example of the sentence is, she sings beautifully. Number 6, preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word. It often shows location, direction, or time. Examples: in, on, under, before, between. Example of the sentence: the book is on the table. Number 7, conjunction. A conjunction joins word, phrases, or sentence. Examples: and, but, or, and because. Example of sentence: I like tea and coffee. Number 8, interjection. An interjection shows emotion or surprise. Usually stands along with an exclamation mark. Examples: wow, oh no, hey. For example of sentence: wow, that's amazing. Okay, that's the next is non-lexical. Number 1 is determiner. The function introduces or specific a noun. Examples: the, this, those, every, and mine. Example sentence: the door barked. My book is on the table. Number 2, auxiliary verb. The function helps the main verb show tense, mode, aspect, or voice. Examples: is, have, will, can, do, and was. Example sentence: she is singing, progressive aspect. He has eaten, perfect aspect. They will go, future tense. Number 3, completizer. The function introduces immediate or subordinate clauses. Example: that, if, whether, and because. Example sentence: I think that she is right. He asked whether it was true. Now 4, inflection. T or I. Functions hold tense and subject verb agreement features. It may not be a word you see, but is present in syntax. Examples: abstract as, he runs. Ed, he walked. Example sentence: she walks to school. Walks verb plus tense marker as. Number 5, preposition. Show relationships, space, time, cause between a noun or pronoun and another word. Examples: in, on, under, of, with, and for. The sample sentence, the book is on the table. She walked with him. Number 6, conjunction. Connects word, phrases, or clauses. Examples, and, or, but, also, because. Example sentence, he sings and dances. She stayed home because she was tired. Okay, the purpose of part of speech. Part of speech help us categorize words by their function in a sentence. This is essential for number 1, understanding sentence structure, constructing grammatically correct sentence, learning new language more easily, analyzing or teaching language effectively. Okay, the purpose of syntax diagrams. Syntax diagrams or sentence trees are a visual representation of how words and phrases are structured within a sentence. They break down the syntactic structure of a sentence into its parts, showing how each word functions and how words are grouped into phrases. Okay, understanding sentence structure. Syntax diagrams help visualize the relationship between different parts of a sentence, making it easier to understand the sentence structure. They show how words are organized in noun phrases on NP, verb phrase of VP, prepositional phrases, PP, and more. Okay, clarify grammar rules. Syntax diagram visually display abstract grammatical rules such as how different word types are combined into phrases or clauses. The next, improving language learning. They make grammar rules more tangible by showing how words function in relation to each other within a sentence. Syntax diagrams are especially helpful for students who struggle with abstract rules of grammar. Number 4, facilitating language analysis. Syntax diagrams are commonly used in linguistics to analyze the structure of sentences in any language. They help linguistics, researchers, and AI models break down sentences into their components to study how language function. Improving sentence construction, diagrams can help writers, speakers, and grammarians construct well-formed sentences by showing how different elements interact. Okay, the part 2. Syntax tree diagrams. Number 1, the book that was recommended by the professor has been borrowed by several students. And the question number 2, also the match were delayed due to the rain. The player continued their warm-up routine. Number 3, the new regulations were announced by the government after the economy showed signs of instability. Number 4, the man who was arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. Number 5, the big girl saw Eliezer with a laughable panda recently. This is of the answer. For non-phrase, the book that, which is of the determiner is the, noun is the book, and for XP pronoun is that, and for praise is was recommended by the professor has been borrowed by several students, and verb praise auxiliary is was, and the verb recommended. Proportional praise and proportional is by. Non-praise determiner is the, and noun is professor. Next, of the verb praise again, auxiliary he has been, and verb is borrowed, and the proportional praise is by, and non-praise and the determiner is several, and noun is students. For number 1. And number 2, non-praise is subordinative conjunctions is also, and determiner the, and noun is the match, auxiliary and was, verb is delight, and proportional praise, and proportional is due to, and non-praise noun is rain. And verb place, non-praise is determiner the, and noun is the players, verb in continue, and non-praise again. Possessive noun is there, and noun warm-up routine. Number 3, the new regulations were announced by the government in non-praise. Non-praise is determined at the, adjective new, noun is regulations, and for praise, auxiliary is were, verb in announced, proportional praise for by, non-praise is determiner, is the, and noun and government. On verb place after the economy showed signs of instability. An adverb if after non-praise is determiner and the noun is economy. Verb praise is the verb showed. And non-praise is noun is signs. Prepositional praise and prepositional is of. Non-praise and noun is instability. For question number 3. Question number 4. Demand for non-praise, which determiner is the and noun is the man who arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks for verb place. And relative clause is who, verb place, and auxiliary is was, verb is arrested, and adverb is last night. Verb, verb, verb place again. In auxiliary his had been, and verb is hiding. Prepositional praise and prepositional in, and noun praise again. Determiner is the, adjective is abandoned, and noun is warehouse. Prepositional praise and prepositional is for, and noun praise again is noun which. Okay, number 5. The big girl is noun praise. Determiner, the is determiner. Adjective is big and noun is girl. The verb praise saw Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. The verb is saw. Noun praise is noun Eliezer. And prepositional praise in prepositional is with. Noun praise determiner is a. Adjective is lovable. And noun is panda. And adverb is recently. This is the answer of question number 5. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video for project 1 syntax. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.